I'm gonna do another song that hurts the most by, I really can't pronounce her name, Cascada or Cascada or some shit. I'm sorry, 1 minute, please. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna sing that song. Thanks. Hope you like it. Sorry with the lighting, it's maybe sit this way. My head's gonna fucking. Okay. Alright, thanks guys. Okay. I take the rain on the roof of this empty house. That don't bother me. I can take a few tears now and then, just let them out. I'm not afraid to cry every once in a while, even though I'm going on with you, so that upsets me. And then and again I pretend I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most? Being so close and so much to say. Watching you walk away, never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that light in you I was trying to do. It's hard to deal with the pain of losing you everywhere I go, but I'm doing it. First that smile when I see your little friends and I'm alone. Started getting up, getting dressed, living with this regret. But I know if I could do it over, and hate the words that I say, heart that left unspoken. What hurts the most? Being so close, so much to say. Watching you walk away, and knowing what could have been. Seeing that light in you, what I'm trying to do. Oh, yeah. I'm afraid to cry every once in a while, even though going on with you won't upsets me. Days in and out and again, I pretend that I'm okay, but that's not what gets me. What hurts the most? It's being so close, having so much to say. Watching you walk away, knowing what could have been. Not seeing the love in you that I was trying to do. Alright, this is kind of a long song, so I'm gonna stop there. Thanks, guys. Bye.